Let me show you how to create one table from clonable sections into a NestForms custom PDF export. Drag the group component into your PDF, click to Settings and set your clonable section. Then drag the table component and select the required number of columns and number of rows. In this example, we will pick 2 as one is for headings and the second one is for our repeatable components. Within the table settings, set table repeat to selected rows. Then add the components from the clonable section you want to display in the table. Add the text components for the individual headings in the table. Click on the one cell in our table, click the arrow up to get to the parent component, row will be highlighted, click to Settings and tick the repeatable row checkbox. So let me summarize the specific component settings. Get to the row component settings and make sure you have repeatable rows set. Get to the table settings and make sure that table repeat is set to selected rows. Get to the group settings and make sure the correct section is selected. Then you can click to preview and you will see the result where each row in the table is from a different cloned section. Thanks for watching.